Nilqawkom għal MALTARTI, il-programm ta' twalità fl-arti u l-kultura. Illum se noħdukom fuq vjaġġ ta' mixi u movimenti oħra ta' mużika u sfin, bl-aħħar aħbarijiet dwar Movimento u l-Walk for Richmond Foundation.
Movimento huwa proġett ta' sfin Malta li b'kollaborazzjoni ma' Heritage Malta qed jistieden lill-pubbliku Malti biex ikun jista' jsir jaf aktar dwar is-sfin kontemporanju. F'Movimento ħanaraw kif l-artist ta' sfin kontemporanju juża l-għodda tiegħu biex joħloq żifna jew dik li nsejħula l-koreografija. Ħafna drabi nsibu ruħna fit-teatru quddiem żifna kontemporanja nħabblu rasna ma' ngħidu din xi tfisser x'iridu jgħidu biha. Din hija opportunità għall pubbliku Malti biex isir jaf kif tinbena żifna fis-sfin kontemporanju, kif koreografu jiżviluppa l-idejat kreattivi tiegħu. Għalhekk nistidnu l-pubbliku jiġi muża fis-17 ta' Ottubru fis-6:30 biex fl-ewwel sessjoni miegħi Viktorja kono nitkellmu fuq is-sfin kontemporanju u l-koreografija.
Richmond Foundation ilha toffri servizzi tagħha dawn l-aħħar 26 sena. Noffru kemm independent living fejn il-persuni jistgħu jċemplu, il-pubbliku ġenerali jista' jċemplu jsaqsi mistoqsijiet varji dwar is-saħħa mentali u anke dwar is-servizzi hawn f'Malta. Din il-mixja li torganizza Richmond Foundation issir kull sena, din is-sena se ssir fi 3 Ottubru fejn tibda fid-9 ta' filgħodu u se tkun miftuħa għal dawk in-nies li kemm jixtiequ jagħmlu l-mixja u kif ukoll jagħmlu l-ġirja. It-tnejn li huma ħajkunu miftuħin fejn wieħed jista' jagħmel il-5K jew inkella 10K. Nistiednu l-kulħadd jingħaqad magħna, din il-mixja tkun miftuħa l-familja kollha, kemm għall-kbar u kemm għat-tfal u kif ukoll se jkunu jistgħu jiġu wkoll il-pets.
Ta' 18-il sena waqaf l-Orkestra Rumena taż-Żgħażagħ, illum l-Orkestra Statali Sinfonika, li magħha dar bosta bliet minn Pariġi u Mosca għal Abu Dhabi. Illum il-ġurnata Sergej Sambatjan huwa s-surmas ewlieni tal-Orkestra Filarmonika ta' Malta.
Music is language of universe. Music is something very special. Also in nature, and it's like an algorithm of communication of civilization and even art. I'm coming from the musical family. My grandmother studied with the most famous violinist ever, and my father studied when I was 4. So it was my decision, and I remember even when at the age of 7 I realized that you can choose other professions. Of course, it's luck, and you have to be. I'm very happy with the person because of what I'm doing. I can't imagine that I can do something else, and I really love it. And every day, rehearsal, this musical, the problems, and this is also coming from my background. But yeah, there's many small things that connect me, and many things that is globally important for me, and not only for me. But yes, I think that this communication between my family story, my career, maybe more or less small success in my life. So this comes to the story that this is the story of all the musicians, how they start, what was the start point, what was the decision, what is the problems. But yeah, I mean, when you want to analyze this, there is many small things. The thing is, I remember the words of my professor, so the main aim of conductor is to build the story and to build the harmony around his idea. All of us, we have our different the frames here, how we think and how we react on the situations, especially now I'm speaking about the music, for the music, but of course for conductor you have to be very fast decision maker. And you have to, because what is the work of conductor, the task? I mean, we are trying to build some ideas around one vision, conductor's the vision, and sharing this with the colleagues who also spend all life with the music. very strong task, again, around the mission and the ideas, what you want to bring on the stage and what you want to produce. And then if it works, it means it is success. And I believe for a conductor, this is, a few points are very important. It's like a complex of things. I don't believe that this, you know, you have to be strong, you have to be, hard worker and so on, and then you're a conductor. No, it's a complex of many things, and then at the end of the day, you have some kind of success. I mean, today also, it's an extremely special day because to do Stravinsky Rite of Spring for the first time in Malta, this is really a most difficult piece in the orchestra's repertoire, and I really love MPO. MPO is very talented team, extremely bright, fast, and to be now today will be my first concert as a chief conductor of this orchestra, because we performed a lot and in States, in Russia, in Europe, and every time I feel that on the stage is something is really the breathing, and it's, you know, it's life, and to share this kind of the crazy and unexpected emotions on the stage, this is very special, not just a great, it's a special feeling, and it's, for me, it's a great honor to be here and to share my kind of knowledge, ideas about the music with my colleague, already friends and musicians.
Ruħi basla moħbija, qalb il-ħamrija, jekk tikxifa oxra, f'qalba issib qatra sejra. Blu, insellmulkom.